Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing and review I have this great wood moisture meter from very famous Chinese FNIRSI brand. They make really good quality measuring tools with affordable price. So this one is not exception. The cost is about $20-25 based on the time and discounts when you are buying it. The model is WMT-10. You can see all specification if you are interested here. Just pause the video. The main advantages is for this measuring tool is it is contactless. So for regular ones we have two pins we should push inside the wood, damage the wood. It is not comfortable, not easy to do. So on real-time use, contactless much more convenient. Let's see what we get inside. The measuring tool, it is battery powered. Let's see what else we have. USB cable for charging it, type C, very nice to see it. And user manual, Chinese and English one, very well made, very detailed with colorful, nice pictures. Even firmware upgrade, you can do upgrade of the firmware of your measuring tool. Most of FNIRSI tools support this function. All the time they are adjusting maybe some files, adding new features and etc. and giving you opportunity to by yourself upgrade firmware of your tool. Let's see, blue one all rubber. This is sensor area, you can see. Here we have flashlight, nice thing to see because you can check anything. There are not enough light, so nice flashlight always can be useful. Some information about it, the capacity of the battery, etc. This is soft cloth to easily move on wood surface. On this side we have charging USB Type-C port, and that's it. Let's turn on. So what we can see on the screen, temperature 20 degree, it shows environment temperature, maximum measured value of moisture. Here we can see a sign, it means that it will automatically shut off the device. In the settings we can choose 5, 10, 15 minutes or just turn it off. Battery status and type of wood we should measure: hardwood, drywall, brick, concrete, more dense stones, and softwood. We can save any measurement data just clicking to this. You have seen flash message save. We keep the save button, yellow light, flashlight. It is not something bright but can be useful. And if you measure something, just hold the measurement if you are measuring in not more comfortable place. So the next thing here, you can see indicator green, yellow and red. It helps you by lighting this green, yellow, red, and by sound how moisture is. It is too moisture, okay, or in acceptable range. So let's see what settings we have. So here, save data, the option 5, 10, 15 minutes to turn automatically off. Light and dark temps you can choose. Volume, brightness of the screen, language English and Chinese, and you can go to factory settings and turn off. Maximum depth of measuring is 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters. So let's test on this. This is hardwood. Choose to hardwood. Oak, and we see about 9%, but when you put on this surface, the reading is changing because the thickness of this wood is about 2 centimeters, but the sensor goes up to 3 centimeters, so be careful when you are measuring. If I put my hand underneath, I will see 12% because it measures through this wood up to my hand. When I move my hand here, and I see a real about 9% wood moisture. So pay attention on this. Let's see what this second one, UNI-T. This is again very famous Chinese brand. They are much more bigger company and have much more different type of measuring devices than FNIRSI. So again, really high quality. Here we choose by these numbers. With the manual, they send wood species. Mainly I use 4 or 3. 4 is softwood, 3 is hardwood. Let's see what readings I have. So about the same 9% as with this device. So about the same, just 0.12 degree 0.2% difference. So I'm very happy with the precision of this tool for the price. So can without any doubt recommend for $20 to have such a nice tool in your workshop when you are dealing with wood or maybe with concrete and you need to check walls moisture and etc. So a lot of nice feature packed inside this small, nice by touch feeling, very well made tool. You can buy, try yourself. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me to make new videos.